What's up, YouTube? Starting my second video. Whoops. Can't spell. Second YouTube video. So I just finished up doing my first video. So this is my second video. So I'm just gonna quickly show you. So this is the Mazda key. And I'm assuming it looks a bit like an MX-5 key. It also comes with lock, unlock. It comes with, so it's a hatch, comes with a boot, or a trunk as people in America call it, 4 doors, automatic. So it has normal interior. This is a GoPro stand to put you on. 5 seats. It's front wheel drive. This is the GSX model. So it's front wheel drive. It has, oh, it's hot. It has a 16 valve Deutsch Mazda engine. I don't know what you call it. I don't know what like the engine is. I think it's a A16 or something. I don't know. I tried to find it out the other day. Mazda. Yeah. So it comes up the back of my garage. This is where it sits. I got my lawnmower that I'm fixing. This is my, so it's my daily. I don't want to really screw around with it too much. I'm wanting to put a new exhaust on it. Right. But it sounds pretty good at the moment. So, and maybe I might end up putting coilovers if I can fit the bill. But that's not gonna happen too soon because I got no money. So I'm 16 years old. I live in New Zealand. I'm coming over to New York in a couple of days, depending on when this video goes up. And oh yeah, I'm a big fan of Haggard Garage, so I'm gonna be going to the meet on I'm going to the Haggard Garage meet. I'm gonna maybe put like a banner, like a small 12-inch banner, like here or something. I can't afford the big one over here, but yeah, their meet, if you don't know, is on the 24th of September in New York. And if you go watch their if you go watch Rolling Twin Turbo's video, which is Orion saying having a meet, in the description there is a information section of where the Haggard Garage meet is going to be. So I'll see you there if you're coming. You alright? It's my dad, guys. He doesn't want to be on camera, so that's why he didn't say anything. Yeah, so this is my mum's old car. My mum's new car sits right there, normally. This was my mum and dad's first ever brand new car. So I would be the second owner, or the first, because I'm their son. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I'm probably going to be the second owner. So this car right here used to take me to primary school, intermediate, but not high school, because high school's just around the corner, over there, through the house. So I love driving this thing because it flies, but if you want to watch me drive it or want to see any more of my videos, press the like button, subscribe, comment, and see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.